So this is one of the tools that found its way into that vinegar bath when we were doing the aggravate video.
Boy, that came out really nice. Way better than I expected. So that and that go together. That was really hard coming off. There's another piece that slides up here. Last piece. Oh, that's the other piece for the thing I was just playing with. So that goes like that. Kind of a funny little wrench. I don't know what you would use that for. Half inch? I guess. Just wouldn't go on tiny stuff. We'll play with that later.
And I guess I'm just a sucker for punishment because I know it's relatively, I don't want to say worthless, but of little value. But I think it's cool, so I think it's cool. It makes me smile. So I'm going to sand. I'm on 220 grit, wet dry. I'm using WD-40 as a lubricant to carry away. And I'm on a relatively true surface. Well, I think I should break out power tools, because otherwise that's the only thing we're going to do this week. Sand that one tool. Alright, this has a pretty wore out bit on it, or belt on it, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a whirl and see what it does. If not, I have another one, a few more in here somewhere. So that's where we're at. I have a new tool over here that we're going to take these over to and check that out. Kids got me a buffer for Father's Day. Pretty excited about it. So I'm going to go ahead and use the black compound, which is an aggressive compound used on iron, steel, and other metals to remove rust, corrosion, scratches, and burrs. All right. So definitely a little bit shinier. You know, this is never actually going to get used ever again. It's going to become more of a desk toy. A little bit of slop there. I think I can take some of that out. Might use a Scout Crafter trick and put a shim back there. Yeah. Look how much play it then lets that come out. If you put a shim back there, I could hammer it and flatten that out a little bit. It says Boos, B-O-O-S. Wonder if that's a G. Have you seen my glasses? I don't know. That could be a G. Boggs? Because Boos doesn't make any sense. I think that'll be Tool Company. It says it's patented. KC, Missouri. You can just barely make that out. They're in the middle. So Kansas City, Missouri. We'll look for Boos Tool Company. See what we can find. Great toy. In pretty bad shape, but I'm glad I could get it back that far. I'll take that. From what I started with, it was stuck. It didn't move at all. I'm sure we can tune it up just a little bit from there, but I'll definitely keep that around.